Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Sony Bravia 9, a flagship mini LED TV that's making waves in the market. We'll explore its design, performance, and everything you need to know before considering this for your living room. Starting off with the design, Sony has crafted the Bravia 9 to be a standout piece in any room. It boasts a sleek profile with a dark metal band and a minimalist bezel that enhances its aesthetic appeal. Whether you choose to mount it or use the included stand, Sony offers flexibility in positioning, accommodating various setups including soundbars seamlessly. Moving on to connectivity, the Bravia 9 features a range of ports including HDMI 2.1 for high resolution, gaming and ARC by EARC capabilities for superior audio integration. Sony's decision to include only two HDMI 2.1 ports might be limiting for some, especially considering the competition. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Bravia 9 apart: its picture quality. Utilizing mini LED technology, this TV delivers stunning brightness and deep blacks that rival OLED displays. In our testing, we measured HDR brightness at impressive levels, making it ideal for both bright and dark scenes. In terms of color accuracy, the Bravia 9 excels with a Delta E rating of 1.7971, indicating precise color reproduction. It covers 99.1685% of the Rec. 709 color gamut, ensuring vibrant and lifelike visuals for SDR content. However, it falls short in HDR color performance, covering 95.32% of the UHD AP3 gamut and 78.02% of the Rec. 2020 gamut. Performance-wise, whether you're watching movies or gaming, the Bravia 9 handles it all admirably. Its 120 Hz refresh rate coupled with advanced processing technologies ensures smooth motion and reduced input lag. Crucial for gaming enthusiasts. One area where the Bravia 9 could improve is its viewing angles. While acceptable, they aren't as wide as some OLED counterparts, meaning optimal viewing is best achieved from a central position. Switching gears to audio, the Bravia 9 incorporates Dolby Atmos and DTS::X support, enhancing the soundstage for a more immersive experience. However, the built-in speakers might not satisfy audiophiles seeking deep bass and crystal-clear highs without additional speakers. On the software side, Sony employs Google TV, offering a user-friendly interface with access to a plethora of streaming services and apps. It's intuitive and responsive, making navigation a breeze. In conclusion, the Sony Bravia 9 stands out as a top-tier mini LED TV that competes closely with OLEDs in terms of picture quality and brightness. With its impressive HDR capabilities and gaming features, it's a solid choice for those looking to invest in premium home entertainment. That wraps up our review of the Sony Bravia 9. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the Bravia 9 or if there are other products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.